So a natural place to start, and I think really the mandatory place to start, is the contemporary war. So the full-scale Russian invasion of Ukraine began almost exactly 4 years ago. So that is a very long period of time. It's a significant fraction of your lives. It's already a meaningful fraction of my life, which is saying something. The first Russian invasion of Ukraine began in the spring of 2014. So in some way or another, Russia has been at war with Ukraine for the last 12 years. This is a very significant moment in the history of the present world. Of course, we don't know how historians will look back at things, but I think it's not at all an exaggeration to say that this is, in terms of simple scale, the most significant military conflict since 1945. In terms of the scale of casualties, sadly, we're looking at something in the range of 2 million people killed and wounded over the course of this war. In terms of its geopolitics, it is very much, at the most superficial level, which I think is nevertheless true, a clash between an aspiring dictatorship and a flawed but nevertheless easily recognizable democracy. And the ideological difference applies to the scale of the world. It is also, I think, an ideological conflict between those who believe that empires are normal and those who believe that states and cooperating states are the way the world should look.